Hi, this is 2018 Toyota RAV4 and today I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse backup light step by step. Here's the reverse backup light. The good news is you can access it from underneath the car, no bumper removal needed. You can place a piece of cardboard on the ground for comfort or just do it directly on the road. Now slide underneath the rear of the car. Here you can see the wiring cable and connector attached to the light housing. Reach up with your hand, grab the socket and turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn to release it. Okay, the socket is out and this is what it looks like. Now replace the bulb. In my case it's 12 volts, 16 watts Toshiba bulb. After replacing the bulb, insert socket back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And that's it! The installation is complete. Finally, test the light to make sure it works. I used my phone to record video while I went inside the car and shifted into reverse. Then I checked the recording to confirm the backup light was working perfectly. It was easy, really. Thank you for watching.